There are many factors which affect the rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction, but today we are going to look on how temperature affects the rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction. Right, to start we can say that with reference to this graph, where we have the relationship between temperature change and also rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction rate. Right, you will realize that if temperatures are very low, the rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction will be also very low. But if we increase the temperatures, the rate will also increase. But we'll reach a point whereby we say we are at the optimum temperature of a specific enzyme. If we exceed the optimal temperature of a certain enzyme, the rate will start to decrease. Right. Maybe to explain, you will realize that when the temperatures are very low, the enzymes are inactivated. When the enzymes are inactivated, what it means is that they will be not having more kinetic energy, so that if they will not be having more kinetic energy, they will not have more chances of colliding with the substrate to form an enzyme substrate complex, which enables them to catalyze the reaction. So you realize that if you increase temperature, the molecules, both the enzyme and the substrate, will all gain kinetic energy, and they will be able to collide. They will be having more chances to collide, forming an enzyme substrate complex, which enables them to catalyze the reaction. However, if you pass the optimum temperature, you realize that since enzymes are protein in nature, made by hydrogen bonds and different other types of bonds, they are also broken down in such a way that the active site is deformed, and we say the enzymes are denatured. So what it means is, even if the enzyme and substrate complex will form, there will be no any reaction, and they will not be able to catalyze the reaction. Thus, you will see the graph falling. And this is how the temperature affects the rate of an enzyme catalyzed reaction.